Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-32796 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#ascot. So here I am going to create table identity underscore test underscore tab 1. Okay, so it contains ID column. So ID column belong to data type number, generated always as identity, and description column is of data type varchar2. You can see table is created successfully. Now let me insert into identity test tab 1 values. Okay, let me insert values to the description column. Okay, one row is created. Okay, so I have created 2 rows, and also you can see that ID field will be auto generated. You can see that ID field is auto generated. Okay, now what I am going to do, let me try to update the identity column. Okay, now I am going to update the column name ID. Okay, so column name ID, which is the identity column. Okay, update identity test tab set ID equal to 3 where description equal to some value. Okay, so what is the error here? ORA-32796 cannot update a generated always identity column. So you cannot update a column contains identity. So generated always identity column cannot be updated. So that is the cause of this ORA-32796 issue. So you can update some other field. Okay, you can update some other field. Let me fix this update query. Yes, you can update like this, but you cannot update the identity column. So that is a fix for this ORA-32796 issue.